This is part 4 of explaining convolutional neural network. I will show you in code kernels and how you can detect vertical lines, horizontal lines, and so on. First of all, we import the dependencies numpy and matplotlib. This is for visualization, and numpy to deal with matrix multiplication and so on. This conv2d, this is a function where we will apply the convolution operation. This is the element-wise multiplication between the image and the kernel weights. This is the chessboard. This is the output. So this is the chessboard, and to visualize it, you can use matplotlib. And here, first of all, I detect the horizontal edges by applying this code. This is the weight matrix. And then I apply the conv2d with the chessboard and the edge H. You can see this is the output detecting the horizontal lines. And to detect the vertical lines, this is the matrix of the kernel. And then when you apply the conv2d, which is the convolution operation between the image and the weights of the kernel, you will get the vertical edges. And we can use it for other, for example, for edge blur, you can use this formula and you can get the blurred edges.